guys, how you doing? Just wanted to bring you a quick update on my Vanquish Phoenix, VS410 Phoenix. I know it's been a while, but been pretty busy, and I wanted to do something extra special. So, do you remember when my last video, I believe it's my last video, I showed you the body which didn't have a painted hood? Well, here's why. Are you guys ready for this? Let me bring this up nice and slowly. Oh, what do we got right behind the grill there? That is an intercooler. And you got my 10mm LED lights, which I just got yesterday, actually. Now let's keep going up. Oh, so let's see. You got the radiator, the intercooler piping, and a 2J. Basically, also a Toyota engine, so I mean it's kind of fitting, right? But there you go. You got a nice turbo. You got the intake that's coming up to the firewall. There's going to be a snorkel here. So this is basically a 3D printed engine, which I made, and if you look at all this stuff here, a bunch of test prints just to get it all nice and fitting properly. I'm going to be selling it on Cults as well, and I might open up my mini factory. So yeah, so let's take the body off so I can show this to you a little bit better. So yeah, so everything fits in there nice and snug. So the 3D printed parts basically include, let me get a bit more light here, basically include the intercooler, the radiator, which are separate if you really wanted them to be separately, the piping here, the piping there, this piece here with the battery is one piece, basically printed in one shot. You got the firewall, the master cylinder with the brake booster, and all that pretty much bolts right into place with the Phoenix body. Basically the original radiator, I can find it on my messy desk. Okay, so you got the original radiator here, which bolts right there like that. Because of the intercooler and the piping, I needed to create a new radiator. But the fan shroud and fan that bolts onto the original one also bolts on to this one. Let's see if I can get you to see it. Yeah, so you can see it all in there. So that's the original fan shroud with the fan inside. Not that you can see it much, but you know, little details like that makes all the difference. So yeah, that is the 2JZ in the we'll call it an FJ40 or an FJ40 likeness body. And everything fits in very nicely. All this stuff here fits on perfectly into there. Stuff to get the rest of the body set up. So you can see everything fits in there nice and snug. Now doesn't that look pretty cool?